Hi, welcome to Up and Running with Docker on AWS EC2 instance. In this video, we are going to launch a new instance and try to Dockerize it. Ahead for this, let's go with Ubuntu, which is free tier eligible, T2 micro, configuring instance details, number of instances we need 1, and let all other things be defaults. Add storage, 8 GB standard one, not needed. Create security group. Okay, we need SSH to basically go into using putty. Add rule, we need HTTP from anywhere, and add rule, custom TCP rule on port. Let's use 3 ports, 8888. This is while creating. We can later edit the security groups as well. From anywhere, and let's use 9998 as well, from anywhere. Okay, these we'll be using later down the video. For now, let's review and launch. Okay, it looks good. Launch, new pair, docker test, download the PEM file and hit launch instance. Copy this to test. Those things I have used before, just for testing purpose. We basically use a small utility tool by name putty key generator to generate private key from the PEM file. Yeah, we can see it's generated, and once the instance is up and running, we can go into it. Once the status check shows done, we are good to go with it. In the meanwhile, let's head on to Docker documentation, basically for Ubuntu, and we'll be following this doc and trying to set up Docker. I'm going to show you some additional ways of interacting with Docker as well further down the line, which makes your task easy. Okay, now I guess public IP is shown. We need to wait for public DNS. Just copy this, go to putty, type ubuntu @public host, public IP, auth, browse, go to your ppk file, open, and click open. Okay, now we are into the virtual machine through SSH. Let's clear the display and let's get started installing Docker. Initially, let's check for Docker, docr. see, it says the command not found. Okay, now let's install it. First thing we need to do is update. Let's move into super user position, root. Okay, now we are in root. Now we need not type sudo every time. apt get update. Meanwhile, let's see what are the things that we need to do for Ubuntu. The first thing is try to check the kernel version. Okay, it shows 3.13. It should be greater than 3.10, I guess. Okay, so first condition is satisfied. Now we need to update. We updated that. Sudo apt-get install. These are few certificates. It's also done. Now we need to generate a GPG key. Copy this. Okay, it has generated. Now we need to head to this cd, and list the files. Okay, we need to move to, okay, first let's install, let's check nano is installed or not. Nano, okay, it's there. So nano sou sources.d/docker.list. Okay, we have created this file. Before that, we need to know the version of Ubuntu. Let's Google it how to check the version of Linux command. It shows uname -l. Let's check this. No. Username -a. No, this one. We need to find the distribution. LSB release of A. Okay, ours runs on Ubuntu 14.04. Okay, then we need to copy this 14.04. Copied it. ls nano .d/docker.list and paste it. Control X. Wanna say yes. Okay. ls. Sorry. Okay, we are done with 2 steps. Now let's again update the package manager. Okay, we wanna punch or delete any of the old repositories that exist by using this command. Okay, nothing is upgraded. No, nothing is wrong. Okay, Let's try